Our celestial companion, the Earth and the Moon, share a deep connection. They have been companions for billions of years. This celestial dance has shaped both worlds in profound ways. The moon's gentle glow illuminates our night sky. Its gravitational pull influences our tides. It is a constant presence, a familiar face in the vastness of space. But this relationship is not static. The universe is always in motion, and even celestial bodies as large as our moon are subject to change. While it may seem counterintuitive, our lunar companion is slowly drifting away from us. Don't worry though, this separation is happening at a glacial pace, measurable in mere centimeters per year. The reason for this gradual separation lies in the intricate interplay of gravity between the Earth and the Moon. To understand this phenomenon, we need to delve into the fascinating world of tidal forces. These forces, often unnoticed in our daily lives, play a crucial role in shaping the dynamics of our solar system and beyond. Scientists have confirmed a fascinating fact. The Moon is moving away from Earth. This separation is incredibly slow, about 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters per year. To put this into perspective, that's about the same rate your fingernails grow. We can measure this distance accurately using lasers. By bouncing lasers off reflectors placed on the Moon during Apollo missions, scientists can track the Moon's movement with incredible precision. While this separation may seem insignificant on a human timescale, over millions of years, it adds up. The Moon's gradual retreat has implications for the future of the Earth-Moon system. As the Moon moves further away, its influence on Earth will diminish. This will affect the tides, the length of our days, and even the stability of our planet's axis. Understanding the forces at play is crucial for comprehending the long-term evolution of our planet and its celestial companion. Tidal forces are a key player in the Moon's slow drift away from Earth. These forces arise from the difference in gravitational pull from one side of an object to the other. Imagine the Earth and the Moon, bound by gravity's embrace. The Moon's gravity tugs a little harder on the side of Earth facing it. This difference in gravitational force stretches the Earth slightly, creating a bulge of water on both the side facing the Moon and the side facing away. These bulges are what we experience as high tides. The areas between the bulges experience low tides, but this isn't the whole story. The Earth's rotation is actually slightly faster than the Moon's orbit. This difference in speed causes the tidal bulges to be slightly ahead of the Moon in its orbit. This misalignment creates an imbalance in the gravitational tug-of-war between the Earth and the Moon. Section 4. Earth's spin, a push that affects the Moon's orbit. The Earth's rotation, which is faster than the Moon's orbit, plays a crucial role in the Moon's outward journey. Think of it as a gentle push that the Earth gives the Moon. This push transfers some of the Earth's rotational energy to the Moon's orbital energy, causing the Moon to spiral slightly outward. This phenomenon is a beautiful example of the conservation of angular momentum. As the Earth slows down ever so slightly due to this energy transfer, the Moon speeds up and moves into a slightly larger orbit. This process will continue for billions of years, gradually reshaping the dynamics of the Earth-Moon system. The implications of this gradual separation are profound. As the Moon moves further away, its apparent size in our sky will decrease. Total solar eclipses, which occur when the Moon perfectly blocks out the Sun, will become a thing of the past. The length of our days will also increase as the Earth's rotation slows down. Section 5. A distant future. Earth and Moon in the eons to come. Looking billions of years into the future, the fate of the Earth-Moon system unfolds in a fascinating way. As the Moon continues to drift away, a point will be reached where it is about 1.6 times its current distance from Earth. At this point, a remarkable equilibrium will be achieved. The Earth's rotation will have slowed down significantly, eventually matching the Moon's orbital period. Both celestial bodies will be tidally locked, with one side perpetually facing the other, just as the Moon is tidally locked to Earth today. However, this equilibrium will not last forever. The Sun's own evolution will eventually come into play. As the Sun ages, it will expand into a red giant star, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth and the Moon. This will mark the end of the Earth-Moon system as we know it, but their story, etched in the fabric of space-time, will continue to inspire awe and wonder in generations to come. Section 6. Conclusion. A lasting dance, ever-changing. The Earth and the Moon dance a slow, intricate dance across the cosmos. Their relationship, shaped by gravity and time, is in constant flux. While the moon's slow drift away from Earth may seem like a cosmic farewell, it is but a chapter in their long and storied history. Their gravitational embrace continues to shape our world, influencing tides, seasons, and the very rhythm of life on Earth. As we gaze up at the moon, we are reminded that the universe is a place of constant motion, a grand cosmic ballet where even the most seemingly unchanging relationships are subject to the flow of time. The moon's journey away from us serves as a testament to the dynamic nature of the cosmos and the profound interconnectedness of all things in the universe.